Off late I've been feeling quite lethargic, kind of a lack of energy, and I was wondering, do I have a thyroid related disorder? I'm sure काफ़ी लोगों के मन में ऐसे सवाल उठते हैं जहाँ पे उनको लगता है कि आजकल बहुत ही टायर्ड लग रहा है या वेट रिलेटेड इश्यूज हो रहे हैं। क्या मुझे थायराइड रिलेटेड कुछ डिसऑर्डर या प्रॉब्लम है? तो टुडेज टॉक इज टू अंडरस्टैंड अ बिट मोर कि थायराइड रिलेटेड साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स क्या होते हैं। So first of all, a very warm welcome to all of you. I'm Dr. Abhishtita.
Don't forget to subscribe to the M-Fine channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update.
So first, let's understand a bit about thyroid gland. तो thyroid gland आपके neck में होता है और वो stimulate होता है एक hormone से which is released by your brain, which is known as thyroid stimulating hormone or TSH. Upon which thyroid gland releases two hormones into the circulation, which are T3 and T4. Now, thyroid gland's main function is to determine your basal metabolic rate. So, the rate at which food is converted and utilized as fuel in your body. So, as a consequence of this, thyroid gland influences almost every organ, every gland, every system in your body, either directly or indirectly. Now, thyroid related disorders can be either because thyroid gland is underactive, so it's a state of hypothyroidism, जिसमें T3 T4 के जो हार्मोन के लेवल्स है वो काफ़ी लो होते हैं और TSH हार्मोन का जो लेवल होता है वो काफ़ी हाई होता है. Or you can have a hyperactive thyroid gland, which is known as hyperthyroidism, and wherein what you find is high levels of T3 and T4 are found in circulation, and TSH hormone levels are quite low. Now, coming to signs and symptoms, first let's talk a bit about hypothyroidism, wherein you have an underactive thyroid gland. So basically, body में सब कुछ slow down हो जाता है. Everything becomes slow. So starting first from when you come to your hair and skin, उसमें बहुत characteristic findings होते हैं. जैसे लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा hair loss होता है. Hair becomes very coarse, very brittle. It falls off very easily. In fact, eyebrows का जो lateral one third होता है कभी कभी लोग का वो भी गिर जाता है. Face overall looks very puffy. The eyes look very puffy because there's a lot of water retention in the body, and this leads to a state of weight gain. So the weight gain is essentially not just fat accumulation, but there's a whole lot of water retention in the body. And ये जो water retention है ये अपने hearing को भी affect करता है. तो impaired hearing होता है, फिर voice बहुत ही hoarse हो जाता है, skin is very dry, there's very less sweating in the body, and generally people are cold intolerant, मतलब cold बर्दाश्त ही नहीं कर पाते. एंड देन व्हेन यू कम टू योर हार्ट, ऑफ कोर्स ये आपके ट्रीटिंग डॉक्टर या फिजिशियन आपको बताते हैं, बट हार्ट रेट यूजुअली स्लो डाउन हो जाता है, मतलब उसको बोलते हैं ब्रैडी कार्डिया. सो स्लोइंग डाउन ऑफ द हार्ट रेट. यू कैन ऑल्सो हैव एलिवेटेड ब्लड प्रेशर, सो हाई ब्लड प्रेशर भी हो सकता है पेशेंट्स में. कमिंग टू योर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, सो पेशेंट्स यूजुअली हैव frequent episodes of constipation. Even though weight gain हो रहा है, उनका appetite loss actually होता है, एंड खाना भी ठीक से डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं वो. व्हेन यू कम टू योर रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम, स्पेशली women, so women have something known as menorrhagia, which is basically excessive bleeding during their menstrual cycles, which is very very characteristic for a female who has hypothyroidism. And if it is not treated, then ये stage से it goes to the other end of the spectrum, which is known as amenorrhea, which is almost stoppage of your menstrual cycle completely. So these are some very characteristic signs and symptoms associated with hypothyroidism. When we come to hyperthyroidism, which is basically a hyperactive thyroid gland, तो मतलब बॉडी पूरा hyperactive हो जाते हैं. तो जब आप ऐसे लोगों को देखते हैं, they're generally very irritable, very anxious, they always are sitting on the edge of their seat, you know, and when you look at their general weight or body structure, they're very thin built. And when you come to the eyes, so hyperthyroidism के जो patients होते हैं, especially a condition known as Graves disease, उनके आँख जो होते हैं, it looks as if it's bulging out of the face. So they have eyelids which are retracted backwards, eyes which are bulging out of their head, and a reddish color of the whole conjunctiva. So the eyes are very very characteristic in a patient of Graves disease, or which is basically a subset of hyperthyroidism. And when you look at their skin, तो उनका skin बहुत ही warm होता है, उनके hands are very warm, very sweaty, very moist, so they tend to sweat a lot. And when you come to their cardiac system, so generally patients को palpitations होते हैं, तो उनको लगता है कि उनका हार्ट बहुत जोर से धड़क रहा है या बहुत तेज से धड़क रहा है. So then the doctor will then pick up a state of increased heart rate, or tachycardia is what it is called. Then when you come to the digestive system, patients have frequent episodes of loose motions which are quite unexplained and not related to any infection at all. When you come to the reproductive system, so most women have a state of oligomenorrhea, which basically means very less bleeding during their menstrual cycles. So overall, when you look at a hypothyroidism patient, there's a generalized slowing down of the body. When you look at a hyperthyroidism patient, there's a generalized hyperactive state of the body. Of course, you cannot have just one symptom and diagnose it as a thyroid related disorder. Usually एक culmination or constellation of symptoms होते हैं जिससे हम डायग्नोस करते हैं कि शायद थायराइड रिलेटेड डिसऑर्डर्स है. और अगर आपको कहीं पे भी डाउट लग रहा है कि आप में ये सब सिम्टम्स हो सकता है, देन ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन गो अहेड एंड गेट अ थायराइड फंक्शन टेस्ट डन, जिससे हम डायग्नोस करते हैं इफ यू हैव एनी थायराइड रिलेटेड डिसऑर्डर्स. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. नमस्ते.
Don't forget to like and share this video. For more such videos, do subscribe to the M Fine channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update.